myself Sonam Gupta. Today I am going to share how to make Phirni. It's a traditional dish. So basically, origin of the Phirni is unknown, but it is believed to be originated during Mughal Empire in India. In Pakistan as well, this dish is enjoying a high status among sweet dishes. Since olden times, this dish is being prepared with traditional method and even served with traditional style. Let's see our ingredients. We have to take 1 liter of milk, 75 gram of sugar, 75 gram of basmati boiled rice, and some almonds, some strands of kheer and cardamom powder. First we have to boil the milk. We have to stir continuously in medium flame. After 10 minutes of stirring, we have to grind our boiled rice and the consistency will be like this. Then we have to pour it into milk and stir again. Now we have to add kheer. And cardamom powder. After continuous stirring, we can see the consistency like this. Now we have to pour sugar. After pouring all the ingredients, and later on we can see our consistency will be like this. Now we have to off the flame and we have to pour it into bowl. We have to pour it into bowl. After pouring our Phirni into this bowl, now we are going to put this into refrigerator at least for 1 hour. After keeping it into refrigerator for 1.5 hours, now our Phirni is ready to garnish. We will use for garnishing some chopped almonds and some strands of saffron, and after that it is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. I am very glad to share this video with you.